Imagine the past, behold the future.
I'll start first, Hannah.
And like what we have mentioned to you, we not only have people joining us here in Kuala Lumpur, we also have friends joining us there in Penang, isn't it? He needs contact, and they are continuous power, protection, intelligent monitoring, and energy efficiency. Attention to the screen and let me present you our friends in Penang. Hello.
Hi Kaylee, thank you so much. How's everyone doing in KL? And of course, very good morning to all our friends in KL.
One, go!